Thinking about jumping into the world of hotshot trucking? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down how you can rev up your engines and start your own hotshot trucking business. Buckle up and let's hit the road. First things first, what exactly is hotshot trucking? It's all about using smaller, more nimble trucks to haul smaller loads. Think of it like the express delivery of the trucking world. Got a few pallets or equipment that needs to go across town, but not a full truckload? Hotshot trucking is perfect for those quick, efficient hauls. Now let's talk about getting started. One of the first things you'll need is a truck. Sounds obvious, right? But not just any truck. You'll need a pickup truck capable of towing, usually equipped with a gooseneck or fifth wheel hitch. The more versatile your truck, the better. It's all about being ready for whatever load comes your way. Next up, paperwork. Yeah, I know, it's not the most exciting part, but it's crucial. You'll need the right licenses and permits, and that's where things can get a bit tricky. You'll need to register with the appropriate authorities to ensure you're legal on the road. Here's a little tip. Tackle these forms carefully to avoid headaches down the road. And remember, our friends at Moving Authority are experts at helping folks like you navigate this stuff with ease. Insurance is the next big step. You'll want to cover your truck, your cargo, and yourself. It's a must-have to protect against those unforeseen bumps in the road. Don't skimp on this. Peace of mind is worth every penny. Then there's the business side. You should set clear goals and decide on the type of loads you want to haul. Are you going local or thinking about interstate gigs? This will shape your business model. Also, networking with dispatchers or using load boards can be a game changer in grabbing those golden opportunities. All right, let's not forget maintenance. Your truck is your lifeline, so treat it like a VIP. Regular checks and servicing ensure you don't end up stranded on the roadside, waiting for a tow. Keeping everything in tip-top shape is key to running a smooth operation. Lastly, there's the question of reputation. In this line of work, being reliable is your best asset. Word of mouth travels fast. So being on time and dependable can open up new doors and keep that business rolling in. So there you have it. Starting a hotshot trucking business is all about preparation, the right tools, and a dash of dedication. And remember, for all your trucking startup needs, Moving Authority has got your back. Head over to movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430 for more insights and guidance.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.